Hello guys, today I will tell you for the 10 basic keys in the stock market. The first one key, that is a bear market. The bear market simply, bear market, we define the situation where the market price going down continuously, and due to the bear phase we can speak like that the prices of this stock uh, in the stock market decline, or we can speak it will be reduced very fast, and then people who are very reluctant to invest or very curious to invest in the bear market, they have a good market options. मतलब ओवरऑल हम कह सकते हैं बियर मार्केट वो सिचुएशन होती है जब शेयर्स की प्राइसेस डाउन होती है और लोग मंदी में भी पैसा कमा लेते हैं. Now come to the next term, that is the bull market. Bull, you understand, it is a basic term of the stock market. Under it, the prices of the shares increasing very fast, or we can speak rising the price of the share. और ये भी एक ऐसा मार्केट होता है जिसमें जो स्टॉक मार्केट के अंदर इन्वेस्टर्स को लगता है कि वो प्राइजेस बढ़ रही है शेयर्स की तो वो बहुत अच्छा चलेगा और वो इन्वेस्टमेंट करते हैं. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन इज द कॉल ऑप्शन. यू नो ये एक एग्रीमेंट होता है या कॉन्ट्रैक्ट होता है जिसके अंदर हम शेयर्स को कुछ पर्टिकुलर टाइम के लिए होल्ड करने की कोशिश करते हैं या फिर हम एक स्ट्राइक प्राइस पर उसे एक पर्टिकुलर पीरियड ऑफ टाइम में खरीदने की इच्छा रखते हैं. नाउ द नेक्स्ट वन इज अ कैपिटल गेन. कैपिटल गेन एक फाइनेंशियल प्रॉफिट है. हम ये कह सकते हैं कि कैपिटल गेन सिंपली वी कैन स्पीक जब हमारा परचेस प्राइस शेयर्स का जो है उससे सेल प्राइस शेयर का ज़्यादा होता है तो हम कहते हैं कि ये हमारा कैपिटल गेन है. नाउ द सर्टिफिकेट ऑफ डिपॉजिट. Certificate of deposit, it means like it will be issued by the bank, and then it is a type of negotiable instrument for the particular amount of the money uh, for the special period. This type of a paper will be issued, and under it the rate of interest will be also defined, which will be tried to charge, and we can speak that is a tradable document for the original depositor. Now the depreciation, after wear and tear, the asset value should be going down, and we can speak that is a depreciation. तो सिंपली हम ये कह सकते हैं कि जो नेट अर्निंग्स है और वो सैल्वेज ऑफ द परचेस वैल्यू ऑफ द असेट जो है कुछ पर्टिकुलर प्रोजेक्टेड लाइफ के बाद, तो जो भी वैल्यू कम हो जाती है उस पर्टिकुलर असेट की, तो वी कैन स्पीक दैट इज outlay of the fund, and we doesn't symbolize this outlay of the fund or cash, and in accounting term we can speak that is a depreciation. Now the next one is a dividend. Dividend, that is a portion of the profit, and it will be it will be for the payable amount which will be formulated and designated by the company's board of director for the purpose of distribution among the holders of outstanding shares. Especially the dividend will be fixed for the preferential share, and for the equity share, so the dividend sometimes it will be changed because it will be depend on the company's profit for the equity shareholders. Now the rights. Right means the existing shareholders जो कंपनी के हैं उनको ही और आप कंपनी के शेयर्स बोनस के रूप में इशू कर देते हैं. और the company issue rights when enhanced capital funds are required. Even we can speak that is the opportunities for the existing shareholders to purchase new share at on those rate which is really less than the general market rates of the share. Now we will go with the next term, that is a portfolio, And portfolio, that is a collection of different investment instrument which is owned by one individual or institution. And then portfolio, it will be the combination of the share or the bond or the various derivatives will be there. Now I will tell you the last term, that is a preference share. Preference share, that is a type of a share. Under it, the investors are not like a equity, and even we can speak like people wants like a dividend. They are not doing the weight when the company's condition is not a profitable. So, and these shares will not be issued to the good friends, siblings. It will be shares to anyone who wants to invest in your company as a shareholder. So, this term simply used to define the shares where the payable or accrued dividend stay at a fixed rate. In this case, unlike equity shares, the dividends doesn't vary with the company's earnest profit but stays fixed. Then by this video, I try to tell you the basic 10 keys which are very usable for the stock market. Then first you try to understand these keys with the help of this video. If you like this video, then don't forget to go with the bell icon, and then even if you like, then comment also. Okay, thank you very much.